Easy Recipes for Students Part 15. Gawa tayo ng cheesy pizza toast for a delicious baon or snack. I want to help you cook better because delicious shouldn't be difficult. First, add sliced bread to your lined baking tray and top with pizza sauce bite fam. Gumamit ako ng grated processed cheese, mozzarella, and sausage pieces to keep things classic. For a Christmas twist, you'll love this too since we'll be adding queso de bola and pieces of Christmas ham. Bake or air fry your pizza toast for 4 to 6 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And tada! We're done! You can have this right away or eat it for later. If you want to save yours, wrap your pizza toast in Cheers aluminum foil to keep it warm and fresh. Get cooking with Cheers this holiday season by making your own delightful recipes. And boom, we're done. Follow for more.